In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the country and region on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings, open that up. Select time and language on the left panel, and then on the right side, select language and region. Scrolling down underneath region, you can adjust your country or region settings by clicking the drop-down menu here and then select the appropriate country. You do the same thing for the regional format as well, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.